puppy pop-pop, who's licking my face. It's time to wake up. He'll run and fetch sticks and do tricks in the park, and we'll play all day till it's dark. But everyone keeps saying that it's too much work for me. The feeding, walking, training, cleaning, shedding, and the fleas. I want a real cute little kitty cat who chased after Jan and climbs on my back. A kitty that's covered with bright orange fur, and when I pet her, she'll purr. But everyone keeps saying that it's too much work for me. The feeding, walking, training, cleaning, shedding, and the fleas. I want a real elephant, hippo, or whale, an eagle who rides on a crocodile's tail, or I take a bunny or hamster or mouse running around my house. But everyone keeps saying that it's too much